In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary administrator in QuickBooks. This is a helpful task when ownership shifts, a team member takes over account oversight, or you're handing off responsibilities to someone new. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change with confidence. First, a quick note on what the primary admin is. The primary admin is the top-level role with complete control over the company file and subscription settings. Only one person can hold this role at a time, and transferring it moves that authority to someone else. Before you begin, make sure the person you want to promote is already set up as a user in your company. Also, sign in using an account with sufficient permissions. Start by opening your QuickBooks account in your web browser and signing in. Once you're in, look for the settings icon, often shown as a small gear at the top right of the page. Click it to open the settings menu. From there, choose Manage Users. This page lists everyone who has access to your company, along with their roles and status. It's the central place for changing who can do what inside your QuickBooks company. Here's an important reminder. You need to be an admin to see the edit options that allow you to transfer the primary admin role. If you don't see actions or you can't click into user settings, that usually means you're not signed in with enough permissions. In that case, verify you're using the correct login that has admin access. On the Manage Users page, locate the person you want to make the new primary admin. Confirm you've selected the correct user, especially if you have multiple users with similar names. To the right of that user's name, click the three dots to open the Actions menu. This reveals the available options for that user. Choose Make Primary Admin. QuickBooks will show a confirmation prompt explaining that the primary admin role will transfer to the selected user. Review the details carefully, then confirm the change. After you confirm, the role updates and the selected user becomes the primary admin. You'll see this reflected on the Manage Users page, and your own role may be adjusted accordingly. That's it. You opened QuickBooks, went to Settings, selected Manage Users, ensured you had admin access, chose the user, clicked the three dots, and selected Make Primary Admin, then confirmed. As a best practice, let the new primary admin know about the change so they can review company and subscription settings right away. Thanks for watching, and great job completing this important update.